In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Google Sheet to Retool. We're going to walk through the process of adding Google Sheets as a resource inside Retool so you can start connecting your spreadsheet data to your apps and workflows. This setup is straightforward, and once you know where everything is, it only takes a few moments. To begin, go to Retool and make sure you're on the main interface. Once the page loads, look up at the top toolbar. This is where you'll find the main navigation options used to manage your workspace, including apps, databases, and resources. From the top toolbar, click on Resources. This section is where Retool keeps all of your external connections, such as databases, APIs, and tools like Google Sheets. If you ever need to edit or review a connection later, this is the place you'll come back to. After you're in the Resources area, move to the top right corner and click Create New. This opens the menu for adding a new connection to your Retool workspace. When the options appear, choose Resource. That tells Retool you want to create a new external data source rather than another type of item. Next, look for the Popular section. Retool groups common integrations here to make them easier to find quickly. In that list, click on Google Sheets. This opens the setup page specifically for connecting a Google Sheet resource. Now you'll be asked to enter a name. Add a clear, simple name that helps you recognize this resource later. It's a good idea to choose something descriptive, especially if you plan to connect multiple spreadsheets in the future. After that, add a description. This step helps keep your workspace organized. You can use the description to note what the sheet is for, what team uses it, or any other detail that makes the resource easier to identify later on. Next, select the type. This determines how the Google Sheets resource will be configured inside Retool. Be sure to choose the option that matches the setup you want to use, since this affects how the connection behaves going forward. Once everything is filled out, click Create Resource. That completes the setup process and creates your Google Sheets resource in Retool. At that point, your resource will be available inside the workspace, and you'll be able to use it when building apps or queries. A helpful tip here is to keep your naming and descriptions consistent because it makes managing resources much easier as your Retool workspace grows. And that's how to connect Google Sheets to Retool.